Hi friends, I'm Nick Latour. I'm the Director of National Accounts for Specialty Brands, and one of those specialty brands is what I get to talk about today, which is called Batch Bodega. Batch Bodega is really unique, customized food gifts. Q3 and Q4 are coming up upon us, the gifting season, and there's no better way to show appreciation than through food and through personalized promotional products all joined together. And what we offer at Batch Bodega is super special. There's a one-piece minimum, there are no setup fees, and everything is really next level. The food products we're using aren't just your run-of-the-mill, off-the-shelf Costco kind of food products. We're partnering with small batch, family-owned, minority-owned, women-owned companies from across the country to provide a really unique experience. And if there's one thing we've learned over this past year, it's that feeling special is kind of important. So let me start by showing you just how special these are. I'm going to show you 3 or 4 of our best kits here. Presentation matters, and look at this box. Don't tell me if you received this box you wouldn't be freaking out. This isn't just like a crappy U-line white corrugated box. This has a magnetic closure, and it's basically a beautiful rainbow hologram. I don't even know what's inside, and I already love this box. This is called the Sugar Rush Kit. Each kit comes with a logo printed on it. So your customer is going to have their logo front and center. And as we open the box, there's a surprise. They all come with a personalized note card. So you can make this special for each person. This one says, "Hey there, and please enjoy a taste of Batch Bodega. I hope you love it as much as I do." But it could say, "Hey Nick, don't eat all of this in one sitting or you'll be at the dentist all day." Whatever you want to put, you're going to make your customer feel special with a personalized note in every single kit. Included in the Sugar Rush Kit is a bag of Poppy salted caramel popcorn. Poppy is made in Asheville, North Carolina by a lady named Ginger Frank. She started a small business when she wanted to spend more time with her kids at home. It also includes legally addictive cookie crackers. We've got sugar spun cotton candy. We've got a set of 4 rainbow can coolies that all say "Life is Sweet" on them, all packaged beautifully in this amazing box. This is going to be a big hit Q3 and Q4, so check this one out. Speaking of Sweet Tooth, another top-selling kit that just takes me back to childhood is our Scoops and Sprinkles kit. Again, you can see the full color print logo. This comes included even at one piece, but the special thing about this kit, the Scoops and Sprinkles, is when you open it. So turn up your volume a little bit and check this out. I'm opening the box and this is what you hear. It plays the ice cream truck song. Emotions are big in marketing. I think we can all agree marketing is there to make you feel a certain way about a brand, and I feel a certain way when I open this box. It's unbelievable. So the Scoops and Sprinkles kit not only comes in this beautiful box, but it comes with a set of amazing artisanal cones from The Conery, which is in New York City. It also comes with a jar of Coop's hot fudge sauce, and this stuff's so good you can just eat it with a spoon. I may or may not have done that myself. Also comes with a jar of fancy sprinkles for that beautiful ice cream party, and the pièce de résistance, if you will, promo. So we're talking about food items, they're consumable and then they kind of go away. But there's a leave behind. In the Scoops and Sprinkles kit is a beautiful metal ice cream scoop with your logo printed on it, all at one piece minimum. One thing missing here is, ice cream. But we got you covered there because at Batch Bodega we can overnight fresh ice cream directly from a maker. We have a couple of maker partners in Cool House and Atomic Creamery that will get you the ice cream to match up with the kit. You can have an ice cream party, a branded ice cream party. Oh man, I'm getting hungry. And then let me wrap up with something that is going to be a huge holiday hit this year. This is called the Speakeasy kit. It's this beautiful matte black sort of Art Deco-y box in this gold print. And then if you see here on the front, there's a UV sort of print of a sort of secret logo, right? So this is where your client's logo would go. And then when you open the box, there's another little secret panel. So such a speakeasy thing, right? Like you're not in quite yet. And then when you open the box, just like all the other kits, right on top is a personalized note that can say whatever you want on it. Included in this speakeasy themed kit is a package of Grey Ghost Bakery chocolate bourbon cookies. These are so delicious. You've got Jacobson Salt Co. Salty caramels. We've got Portland Syrup Company syrups. We've got ginger, citrus passion, and rose cordial. And then additionally, we've got Herb & Lou's infused ice cubes. So now you can make a cocktail or a mocktail. Of course, there's also promo products that are printed. We've got a beautiful black Lux flask, and then these amazing metal coaster tools, which both have the logos printed right on them. It's really the whole package, and it's really going to be a special next level kit. And those 3 kits are great, but we have 18 kits, and those can be customized anywhere from like a light to a deluxe combination of products to fit your budget and to fit your client's needs. So to kick it up a couple more notches for Q3 and Q4, I just talked about the kits, but we actually have 2 more branches of Batch and Bodega that can help with food gifting this holiday season. The first one we launched is called Fresh, and Fresh is fresh food delivered overnight directly to your doorstep or to your client's doorstep. And these are from well-known makers from across the country, from Atomic Creamery in Newport Beach, California, to H&H Bagel in New York City. Really nice, fresh food products overnighted with a packing slip that has a gift note and a logo on it. And then, hey, you want to build your own kit with some of our really amazing artisanal batch-made products? You can do it through Supply. Supply is bulk shipping of our amazing batch-made, small batch-made snacks, so you can put together your own food kit. Let's face it, food is love. So when it comes to next level gifts to make your customer and client feel super special, look no further than Batch and Bodega for your holiday gifting season. Thanks, and have a fantastic day.